deteriorized here and there, they acquired the national ID. So after acquiring national ID, now they feel they are qualified enough to come here and deceive around and get a passport. We are not going to allow this. We are going to arrest this and shall keep arresting them. So that's why you see refugees, nationalities of other countries, they are all here, all these. All these people you see here had national IDs of other countries. We have not been able to sort them like individuals. But they have IDs of other countries. We have Congolese here, we have Rwandese, we have Sudanese, we have Kenyans, we have Burundians, all in the mix. Some of these have been taken to court. Some of them have been already penalized by courts, various courts of law in the country. Tribe zino nkaaga mu ttaano. Tulinamu tribe gye tuyita abanyarwanda. Ate ne tubeerayo n'eggwanga lye bayita Rwanda. So kibadde kikonfusinga nnyo abantu ng'alowooza nti ajja kuva e Rwanda Joe ajja ayingire wano ate ajje mu passport office atugambe nti ye muki munyarwanda ali mu constitution. Naye kati omunyarwanda ono ali mu constitution yono omunyarwanda eyasangibwa wano mu 1926 1st February yoyo constitution gyeyogerako yono omunyarwanda yali wano mu 1926. Saagala abantu babeere babalimbelimbe. Woba omanyi nti jjajjawo oba jjajja wa jjajjawo woba olina empapula ezo eziraga nti jjajja oyo oba jjajja wa jjajjawo yali wano mu 1926 nga basala ensalo za Uganda, ojje otunyonyole tujja kukuwa passport. For this category of citizenship, the following must apply. 1. You must have resided in Uganda for at least 20 years in total. At least 20 years in total. You must have resided within the boundaries of Uganda, 20 years in total. Secondly, you must have continuously lived in Uganda for the last 24 months before applying. What does this mean? It means that you have not traveled out of Uganda for 2 years. You have been in Uganda and you have not traveled anywhere for 24 months. Those are 2 years without going anywhere. You must have not gone to Kenya, to South Sudan, to Congo, to Burundi, to Tanzania or elsewhere within those 2 years, 24 months. 3, there is need to demonstrate adequate knowledge of either a designated Ugandan language or English. You must have stayed here 20 years in total, meaning you can be able to speak one of the languages of Uganda, one of the languages, any of the languages. Either Toro, you can speak Acholi, you can speak Ilamo, you can speak Usoga, you can speak Uganda. Which I want to pay very critical attention to is citizenship by naturalization. Citizenship by naturalization under Section 16(5) of Uganda Citizenship and Immigration Control Act, Chapter 313. We have the act that guides operations of the directorate under the Uganda Citizenship and Immigration Control, that is Chapter 313. If individuals do not meet the criteria outlined above in the citizenship by birth section, meaning their families' lineage in Uganda starts with migration into Uganda after February 1926, meaning their families came to Uganda after Feb 1926. It means you don't qualify to be a citizen by birth, but you can apply to become a citizen under this second option of citizenship by naturalization.